welcome to my vlog. This is your kitchen adventure with Carol. Since it is New Year and my family craves eating maja blanca, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make maja blanca. So what are you waiting for? Tara, magluto na kita.
To create this delicious maja, we will need a few simple ingredients. The ingredients must be put everything in place to ensure that new ingredients are forgotten. We have Tara na, magluto na kita. To create the richness and flavorful taste of maja blanca, we begin to combine the ingredients. First, in a pot, combine coconut milk and cornstarch. Add water and make sure to stir continuously to avoid lumps. Then add sugar depending on the sweetness of your mixture. Add 1 can condensed milk, 300 ml. Since evaporated milk is not available, I use 2 pouches of all-purpose cream as a substitute. Next, add 1 can cream-style corn, or you can also use whole corn kernels. Turn the gas over medium heat. Stir well until mixture combined. Let it boil, and after more than 5 minutes, it needs a quick movement when stirring as the mixtures become sticky. Pour the mixture into a molder or a dish pan. Smooth the top of your maja blanca. Grate the top with some cheese for an extra touch. This is now our maja blanca. Let it cool, then refrigerate for a minute until it sets. Serve chilled with the portion size you wanted. Enjoy the taste, this creamy white color coconut pudding, or what we call maja blanca. Lami.
Kalami.
Thanks for watching!